Hello students, in this video we will discuss our next chapter, that is money. So what is money? Money is necessary part for buying anything from the market. If you want to buy anything from the market, you want money. Okay, if you pay money, if you give some money to the shopkeeper, then shopkeeper will give you the goods and services. Okay, and we in India deals with the currency in rupees and paise. Suppose 50 rupees, 20 paise, 50 paise. Okay, so we are in India, money is denoted by rupees and paise. So it is available from coins and note. So you can see 1 rupees coin, 2 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin. Okay, and you can see also 10 rupees coin, and in the form of note you can see 10 rupees note, 20 rupees note, 50 rupees note, 100 rupees note. Clear? So these are the form of coins and these are the form of notes. Now if I ask you uh, how to denote 100 rupees, so you can easily denote like this way. This is rupees sign, then 100. This is 100 rupees. So if I ask you how to denote 500 rupees, so you have to denote like this way. This is rupees sign, then 500. Then if I ask you how you can denote 20 rupees 50 paise, so this time you have to denote like this way. 20 rupees, then 50 paise. So 50 paise you have to write like this way. Give a dot, then 50. Okay. So how to denote 50 rupees 50 paise? So you have to denote like this way. At first give the rupees sign, 50 rupees, then dot, 50 paise. So before this point this is rupees, and after this point this is paise. Okay. Now go to our exercise. Exercise 16b. Exercise 16b. Question number 1. So question number 1 2 is given here. 419.25. So there is given 1 rupee sign. So how to read this? You have to read like this way. 400 419 rupees, 419 rupees, and after the point, that is paise, so that will be 25 paise. 25 paise. Okay. Now let's see another example like this. Look at question number 3. So question number 3 is given here, 198.75. So before the point this is rupees, and after the point this is paise. So how to write it? This is 198 rupees. So write here 100 198 rupees, and 75 paise. 75 paise. Okay. So this way you can solve left of the problem in question number A. Now let's see question number B problems. So question number B problems is given here. The given monies are in words. So you have to convert this one as a numerical form. So the first question is 6 rupees 80 paise. So how to write it in numerical form? At first give here the rupee sign, then 6 rupees and 80 paise. Because this is paise, that's why you have to write that one after this point. Okay, so before this point this is rupees, and after this point this is paise. Now go to next one, question number 2. So question number 2 is given here 57 rupees 10 paise. So give the rupees sign, 57 rupees then 10 paise. So after this point it will be 10. Now go to next, question number 3. So question number 3 is given 25 rupees 65 paise. So give the rupees sign here, 25 rupees then point 65 paise. So before this point this is rupees, and after this point this is paise. Okay, now this way you can solve left of the problem in question number B also. Now go to our next exercise. Exercise number 16C. So you know that 1 rupees is equal to, if I ask you 1 rupees is equal to how many paise? So 1 rupees is equal to, that will be 100 paise. Paise is denoted by P and rupees is denoted by this sign. Okay. Now if I ask you 2 rupees is equal to how many paise? So 2 rupees is equal to, so 100 plus 100, that will be 200 paise. If I ask you 5 rupees is equal to how many paise? So that will be 500 paise. Now you can observe that whenever you want to convert rupees to paise, that time we are multiplying the number with 100. Okay. So whenever we want to convert rupees to paise, that time we have to multiply the number with 100. But whenever you want to convert paise to rupees, that means the backward process, that time you have to divide the number by 100. Look, 500 divided by 100, that will be nothing but 5 rupees. Okay. So I am repeating again. If you want to convert rupees to paise, that time you have to multiply with 100 with that number. And if you want to convert paise to rupees, that time you have to divide with 100 of that number. Now look at the questions. Question number 1A. So question number 1A is given here, convert rupees into paise. So the number is given here 45 rupees. So how to convert rupees to paise? You know that you have to multiply with 100. So that will be 45 into 100, this much paise. So if you multiply 42 into 100, that will be nothing but 4200 paise happen. Okay. Now let's see another example. Question number F. So that is given here 675 rupees. Now convert this one as a paise. So multiply with 100. And remember one thing, whenever you are multiplying with 100, that time you have to put here the paise sign. Now you have to multiply here 675 into 100. Now whenever this type of multiplication is given, that time you have to only multiply 675 and 1. So if you multiply 675 and 1, you will get here 675 and there is 2 0, just put the zeros. You'll get the answer. Okay. Now this way you can solve question number 1 problems also. So thank you everyone.